Unlocking the power of why. Your guide to mastering this question word. Hello everyone. In today's video, we will focus on a key part of conversational English. Understanding and using the question word, why. This small but mighty word plays a crucial role in how we question, understand, and navigate the world around us. So, let's dive right in. Why is a question word often used to seek reasons, causes, or purposes. It enables us to dig deeper into a situation or an event, encouraging an explanation. For instance, asking, "Why is the sky blue?" prompts an explanation about light, atmosphere, and color perception. You can use why in many situations. Here are the most common ones. 1. Clarifying motives or reasons. For example, why did you move to this city? This question seeks to understand the motive behind a particular action. 2. Understanding feelings, such as, why are you sad? This helps get a deeper understanding of someone's emotions. 3. Inquiring about rules or processes, like, why do we have to wear seatbelts? It invites an explanation about safety protocols. 4. Problem solving or decision making. For instance, why don't we try this method? This suggests a new approach and asks for the consideration of the others involved. When forming questions with why, the question usually follows this pattern. Why plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. For instance, why did you choose this job? However, when asking about reasons for emotions or states, we can use why plus subject plus verb to be. For example, why are you happy? Remember, why questions typically seek more elaborate responses rather than simple yes or no answers. That wraps up our session on the question word, why. Hopefully, now you have a better grasp on how to use why in various situations and the type of responses it can provoke. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try to incorporate why into your daily conversations. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning!